ATCH stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1 minute video, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's on 47,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. Because I have the data and everything, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. I'll be very honest with you here. ATCH, it's an interesting demand area. But don't just think, when you see this upside arrow, that means that I'm immediately buying here. That's so far from the truth. Like, I genuinely would only buy as long as I see a proper double break, like truly speaking. And if I don't see that happening, then I guess I'm not buying. And that's totally fine from my end, like totally fine. I also, yes, I do have 8 receipts, so that's nice as well. But without any proper sort of like a double break, I'm just not going to look to really do anything. I mean, I'll just be very honest with you, that's how things are looking like for me. And if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Okay, bye-bye.